We reviewed several videos on how to remove fence posts. Maybe the first one that's begun with I don't know that we've seen any like this quite yet. So maybe we cut the post into smaller pieces to devise its own demise. That worked out.
Today's video is brought to you by our good friends over at Nationwide Industries, the Fence Pros' #1 choice. And they are this Fence Pros' #1 choice for a couple reasons. One, we love using their Keystone Traverse latches. They're easy to install. You simply bolt them onto the post. No drilling for rods or cutting the rods required. It's a pretty straightforward installation process. We also love using their full line of galvanized hardware. It shows up quickly and reliably.
All right, guys, today's video is titled How to Remove a Post with a Car Jack. Cautiously optimistic on how this one's going to turn out. By the channel Crazy DIY. If you'd like to watch the video in its entirety without my commentary, you'll find it linked in the description below. Also, keep an eye out. We're going to be shooting a video here in the next few weeks covering how I would remove a post, including what do you do once the post is removed. So without further ado, the video. I think this is the first video we reviewed. We reviewed several videos on how to remove fence posts. Maybe the first one that's begun with cut the post off. I don't know that we've seen any like this quite yet. So maybe we cut the post into smaller pieces to devise its own demise. That worked out. It seems like it might be one of those videos where it takes longer to do it an easy way than to just yank that thing out of there, dig around it, and pull it up. But we'll see. So you gotta make sure those planks aren't over the concrete, or else he's gonna be just fighting himself trying to get that post out of there. All right, so it looks like he's got the footings on either side. He used a cutoff piece of the post, presumably, bolted to itself to give himself that pressure point. Interesting. Not a great amount of concrete around it, but it is bringing the post up with the concrete intact. All right, so I think we get the point. We're using just a regular jack you'd find in an automobile to leverage that post out of the ground. Still probably begs the question on what do you do with the post after it's out? Do you drag it? Do you try to maybe break the concrete off of it? What do you do with this thing? Stay tuned to the channel, guys. As always, be sure to subscribe, turn your notifications on, because we're going to be coming out with a video shortly showing you how I would remove this post, but also the same system would then also transport or help to transport the post to a waiting trailer or different location. Like I said, for that video, keep an eye out on the channel. As always, Joe Everest, the fence expert, reminding you that good fences make good neighbors, and I'll see you next time.